All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create some basic Clips projects using Apple Clips. Definitely check it out. Okay, the first thing we need to do is we need to open the Clips app. The Clips app is that blue and white icon. It's got the little white camera on it. It's in that bottom row. So we will click it and it will launch into all of our projects. So at the top row, you've got all of the video projects I've created already. To start a new project, in the upper left-hand corner, we will click on Create New. And that will allow us the opportunity to create a new project. Now there are three different options available in that bottom row above the red button. The first one is the camera. If you would like to record your camera screen, you may do that using that button. The second option is the library. The library is actually any video or image that you want to import into this project. Now with this project, I did pre-record a video outside of the app because it seems to me to be a little bit easier to record outside of the app and then just bring it in, instead of recording directly within the app. And the last one is posters, and this is where I'm going to actually start the project. So posters are text videos that can be imported into your project. These are great for the beginnings, transitions, and ends of projects. And what's nice is they all look really professional. So if you scroll through this, you can see a wide range of different posters that you can actually use in your project. So let's go with this one. Best day ever. It downloads it, opens it up on your screen so that you can edit it. So you can start by changing the text. So I'm gonna say, Clips is awesome. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is, if I want to add stickers or emojis, the little star next to that red button allows you to add those things. So you could add text if you want to. You could add stickers. So a sticker is something like this star here, and you can drag it wherever you want on the screen. If you want to make it bigger, just expand, click on it and spread your fingers apart. If you want to shrink it, pinch your fingers together. You can also twist your fingers and rotate it around to where you want it. Maybe I want to add these little sparkly things right here as well. And now we've got those added into our video. Now this video is not actually in our project yet. In order to add this to your project, you have to hold the red button down, which records this video. So I'm going to hold my finger down. Now it is in my timeline. It is in that bottom row, and it can be added into your project. So if you look at the bottom row, you can actually see it in the project. If you click on that clip, you can actually change some of the different things in there. For example, if you wanted to mute any of the background noise, you could do that by pushing the mute button. You could add different effects to this, again, back to the stickers and emojis. Okay, so we are going to click done. And now I want to import a video. In order to import a video, I'm going to go to Library and select the video I want to import. So in this case, I'm going to click this one. Now, this program uses square videos. So when you're recording your video, you have to keep that in mind, that it's not going to do everything that's in the frame of your video. So I'm going to adjust this a little bit. And then if I want to, I can go to settings, again, that little star. And with videos, you actually have the option of filters. So if I want to add a different filter, let's say I want to make it look like an old school camcorder video, I can do that. I can also, again, add text. So let's say I want to add this text box. I want to have it say awesome, and I can move that on my screen. And then finally, again, if I want to add stickers to this, let's say I want to have a lightning bolt over my shoulder. And there we go. Now again, like we did with the last video clip, in order to add it to my project, I have to push the red button and record the video. Okay, so now if you again look at that bottom row, it has been added to my timeline. Now you can adjust it again as you need to. The final thing, I'm going to add another poster just at the end. Let's go with this one. Looks kind of cool, so I'm going to add this one in. Now, like with most things in this program, not everything is pre-downloaded. that saves you some space on your iPad. So I've downloaded it. It is ready to go. I'm going to change it and say the end. All right, like we did before, in order to actually put this in our timeline, we hold the red button down to record it. And then once we feel like it's ready, we let go of the button. And now it has been added at the bottom. The final thing I want to do to finalize this video project is to add music. So in the upper right-hand corner, there's that music icon. If I click on that, it gives me a couple of options. The first one is none, no music. Second one is a soundtrack, and the third one is my music. Now, to help avoid copyright issues, I always go with soundtracks, which are built into this program. Now, the soundtracks, like I said, aren't already downloaded to your device to save you space, so you actually can go through and download just individual ones that you want to use, or you can download all of them. If you download all of them, I believe it's about 350 megabytes. So let's go with this one. I'm gonna add this to my video clip. And then once I've clicked on it, I'll click the back arrow and it is ready to be added to my project. And I'm gonna click done. And it is now all ready to go. The last thing I need to do is send it somewhere. So I'm gonna click this little up arrow in the right-hand corner and I can add it to any one of these apps. I can add it to YouTube, I could add it to Seesaw, I could post it on Twitter, I could email it to myself, or I can just save it to my photos library so that it is available for use later on. So that is how you use the Clips app. Good luck. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you are gonna create some amazing, epic Clips videos. Make sure to tag me on Twitter at TeachLikeANinja. Share your videos with me. I would love to see the awesome sauce that you are creating for your classroom, for the people you are working with. Until next time, looking forward and be awesome. Bye guys.